Are you in need of furnace repair? Is your current furnace breaking down or not operating properly? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local furnace repair service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Our furnace technicians have years of experience repairing all major brands of furnaces, and we get the job done right the first time. So contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their furnace repair needs.